Are you experiencing androgenic alopecia, which can also be called pattern baldness? Are you losing your hair? Is your hair thinning? Is your hairline receding? Regardless of your gender, do watch this video to see how to prevent such problems. Welcome back, beautiful people. So the first ingredient we have here is cloves. Cloves are aromatic dried flowers of the clove tree. They are used as spice in many cuisines around the world. But do you know how beneficial cloves is to your hair? It has a variety of useful compound, but its main active ingredient is eugenol. Eugenol is credited with potent antimicrobial, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory properties, which is beneficial to the scalp. Cloves are rich in a number of nutrients required for your hair growth, including potassium, sodium, omega-3 fatty acid, iron, magnesium, vitamins K and C, iodine, and fiber. They are also full of antioxidants that help protect the hair from oxidative damage. Clove treats dandruff, it suits your scalp, it also fixes hair loss and also prevents premature graying of hair. Now for our next ingredient we have rosemary. Because of the natural properties found in rosemary that boost hair growth by inhibiting hormonal changes that lead to hair loss, improve circulation to the hair follicles, act as an antioxidant, and decreases inflammation on the scalp, all of which improves scalp health and also your hair strength. That is why in the beginning of this video I mentioned that if you are having androgenic alopecia or patterned baldness like a lot of us call it, you need to watch this video because that is one of the major things rosemary can prevent for you. Now for this mixture I'm using 1 spoon of rosemary and also 1 spoon of cloves. The reason is because I like making my hair tea in small quantity. While you're watching, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. I go on to transfer the herbs into a heat-proof container because I'm about to do the double boiling method. I go on to add about 150 ml of water into the herb. But if you have hot water, if you can use hot water, please go ahead and use hot water for this. If you're using hot water, there will be no need for the double boiling method. I just did the double boiling method so as to heat it up a little bit. Notice that the color is already changing. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it and leave it for at least a day. The whole day, like at least 24 hours. Then I come back to it. Actually left this for 24 hours. Then after 24 hours, this is what it looks like. Notice that the color has gotten darker and all the herbs that were floating are all at the bottom, which is how you know if they are done for. Next, I go on to extract the water. Now, if you don't like wasting things like me, the remnant of this mixture, that is the cloves and the rosemary herbs that are still there in the cup, you go ahead to blend them. When you blend them, you extract them again. Now that's which you extract from it will be quite thick, and then you can actually use it for deep conditioning. You're welcome. So back to the tea. I go on to transfer the tea into a spray container and our hair tea is ready. Now you can go ahead and spray this on your hair, directly to your scalp, also on your hair strands for effective purpose. Now do not forget to use a hair butter or a hair oil to seal in the moisture after applying this to your hair, because if you do not use hair butter or hair oil to seal it in, it might not be as effective as it's supposed to. In this video I am using Daphne hair butter. I just love this because of how it retains my moisture so well. And that is it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Do subscribe and hit that like button.